First one I want to look at is a pie chart. So let's take a look at this data from a pie chart perspective. And what I've got here is I want to create a pie chart that shows me ice cream sales by state. I want to know which state sells the most ice cream. So we're just going to use this line here. This actually creates a new data frame. Okay, so it's creating a new data frame from the old data frame, DF, which is what we loaded up here. It says group by state, and we're going to show ice cream sales, and we're going to sum that. So it's going to have the ice cream sales and the state, but each state is going to be, it's going to take everything from each state and sum it, add it all together. And then reset index says, let's make that a new data frame with its own index. So it has an index for each row. So we're going to create this, and then we're going to turn it into a data frame. And this is where the magic happens. We're creating a figure using Plotly Express, px.py, pie chart. And then we're going to use the new data frame we just created. And the values are coming from ice cream sales. The names are coming from the state. Okay. And then we are saying the percentage of the title of the chart is total ice cream sales by state. And it's going to get the colors from a preset group of colors that's part of Plotly Express. Okay, so when I execute that, you can see also here I'm forcing the height of the figure to be 800 tall. Otherwise, it'll squish it down and it'll be such a tiny little pie chart. Actually, let me show you without that and show you why I would do this. And then the last line here says figure.show, which is just show the figure. But you can see it's a little baby pie chart. That's too small. So I'm going to update it, make the height 800, which allows us to see what's going on here. Okay, so, and it has the labels for each percent in here. Looks really nice. It goes from dark to light. Obviously, Florida and California are the winners. MD, Maryland, and South Carolina, Texas, Virginia, and Hawaii are the other states. Interestingly enough, Hawaii was the smallest in ice cream sales, but keep in mind population, right? Population and the number of cities. So we don't know how many cities are in here either. But if I start turning off these things, see, I can interact with this. If I say, well, Florida and California are just too big, let's turn those off and let's see what the ice cream sales are by percentage in the other 5 states that are represented here. I can just look at that. And the nice thing about this is that the other thing I can do is clicking right here, I can download this picture as a PNG file. So if I hit that and I hit save and I open that, I can create that image that I can then use on other things. And that's one of the great things about Plotly that it allows you to do. So that is my pie chart. Pie charts are really good to show parts of a whole or what piece of the pie, basically. So what percentage of the total things are. You could display a proportion of individual components in a whole, highlighting the contribution of each category to a total, or emphasizing a set of values or the distribution of a set of values as parts of a circle. So that's kind of the pie chart there.